So to enter 16 digits license code on TurboTax, you need to download and install the TurboTax desktop application first. In the process of the installing, to activate the TurboTax desktop so you can use it, you need to add those 16 digits license code. And to do that, first thing first, you want to open your web browser such as Chrome or Safari. Then on the Google search, you want to search for TurboTax. And then you want to click on the website called turbotax.intuit.com. Then, click on File Your Taxes at the top left of your screen, and hit the option called TurboTax Desktop. On this screen, click on Download TurboTax Software button at the top left of your screen. On the year 2025, choose on which TurboTax version that already bought before, either the Deluxe, Premier, Home and Business, or just the Business. Usually the TurboTax version is written above your license code. For example, if I bought the Home and Business version, then I want to click on the Home and Business right here on the TurboTax website, and then select which operating system of your computer or laptop using, and it will automatically download your TurboTax desktop application. Wait until the download is done. After that, search for the downloaded TurboTax app on your computer. Tap on it 2 times with your keyboard. And since I'm using the Mac OS, I will demonstrate what's needed to do on the Mac OS. Don't worry, because more or less, the method both on Mac OS and Windows are similar to one another. So, you just need to drag it on the application section, and open up your Mac OS application list. Search for TurboTax, and open them by clicking on it for 2 times. You may just follow the instruction to click on Install the TurboTax application, and the Next button, until you see this License Agreement section. Then you want to accept it, and hit the Next button right here. On this window, click on Install button to installing the app to your computer. And then, after the installation was successful, click on the Launch TurboTax button here, and opening the TurboTax desktop application. This window will appear, and you want to signing in to your Intuit TurboTax account that you already have it before. Do not forget to use the same TurboTax account that you used before to purchase TurboTax desktop version. This screen then will appear, and right now is the time to use or enter the 16-digit code, called license code, that consists of combination of letters and numbers, which then you want to insert into this section to activate your TurboTax desktop account. After that, click on this Activate TurboTax button, and there you go. You may start to file your taxes using the TurboTax desktop. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.